Hello friends, this is the first part of a new series of reflections where we share the thoughts that run through our minds when we read any inspiring book. The book that we have chosen is Will by Will Smith. Intro is about a wall. Will and his brother were tasked to build a wall by his father. Two young kids set about this task every evening, every break they got. They worked during the weekends, holidays, summers, winters, sick days, and healthy days. But the wall did not seem to be coming up at all. They grew tired, grumpy, and finally started to make open complaints about their father giving them an impossible task. Like typical kids, they believed that the wall would not be done even if they worked till they died. And then everything changed because the father shouted at them and asked them to forget the wall and focus on laying the bricks instead. You lay one brick perfectly, level the layer, and then you lay the next one perfectly. There was no wall, just bricks. This new focus gave the kids a manageable task, and then they started to get the joy of laying each brick on top of the other. Sometimes in life, we get overwhelmed by the bigger picture. If you take any retirement calculator and put in your parameters, you will face a number so huge and unattainable that it will freeze you into inaction. It will seem so monumental and impossible like that wall. But forget the number. Instead, focus on what you can do today, because what you do today will build towards where you want to go. Figure out what laying the brick means to you. If it is finances, then it can be micro investments. For example, if you just rounded down your bank balance to the nearest 100 every day and invested that amount, in a year you would have invested 18,500 without feeling the pinch of the effort. If you did 1% improvement every day, then you would be 36 times better in a year from now. Impossibly large goals can be broken down into individually manageable tasks. Can you lay one damn brick every day? No matter what happens in your life, there is always going to be one more brick lying out there for you to put up. The only question is, are you going to get up and lay it? Or are you going to stay where you are, consigning yourself to the sorry state that you find yourself in? A child's personality is influenced by his name. Will Smith had Will in his name. That gave him the character to succeed. The meaning of my name is Lord Shiva, so I know that I can be infinite in nature. What is the meaning of your name? How does it influence your life? Drop a note in the comments. The best moment in the chapter is this image of the two boys and their father looking at the completed wall which they had built for their family. The boys on either side of the father, hands on their hips, proud chest and quiet. The father takes a cigarette out from his mouth, drops it down and crushes it with his boot, but without taking his eyes off the wall, and then says, "Now, don't you boys ever tell me there is something you cannot do." This scene is the very emotion that Will Smith himself portrays in the movie Pursuit of Happiness. His son Jaden Smith is playing basketball and says that he will become a pro basketball player one day. Daddy Smith wants to keep his son safe and says that he himself was average, and so his son will also be average in basketball. The child becomes disheartened. Will Smith realizes his mistake, and the next thing he says becomes a world-famous scene. Don't let anybody tell you that you cannot do something, even if it is your father. If you have a dream, protect it. People say that you cannot achieve something because they couldn't achieve it themselves. If you want something, go and get it. Period. Amazing, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed the first part of the reflection series. I will catch you in the next episode, and until then, thanks for watching Life and Blog.